On the island of Kyushu, in the south of the Japanese archipelago, the village of Imari is made of stone and porcelain. Imari's trademark is this blue color, which has been around for centuries. On a hill above the village, the trademark blue is on display throughout this Shinto temple, leaving you far from cold. It is a shrine to porcelain. Taniomi Miyita is its guardian.
There is something eternal about these porcelain lanterns and statues. Of course, they might break, but they have remained unchanged for centuries. If they had been painted red, the color would have faded in the sunlight. But that is not the case with this blue. It is everlasting and remains unaltered by time.
Yomi took over from his father. For centuries, his family has watched over this shrine, which is dedicated to porcelain and its mystical blue.
This shrine has existed since Imari started making porcelain. This shrine protects the prosperity of the villagers and the Imari porcelain industry. It is a sanctuary for the god of porcelain. This shrine is about 360 years old.
The deities of Shintoism are honored here in porcelain. Shintoism is the main religion of Japan, along with Buddhism. This traditional blue Imari porcelain is like an offering to the deities.
In Shintoism, blue brings you closer to the deities. For Japanese people, blue evokes the sea, the lakes, the sky, and the mountains. Mount Fuji, for example, is blue. We are drawn to blue because it helps us see signs from the deities in these landscapes. My shrine is full of this bright color. It energizes people. That's why the villagers still gather here, to feel the freshness and joy and happiness that emanates from this place. I think it's magnificent.
Back to ordinary mortals at the foot of the shrine. This workshop is the domain of Shinji Haraishi, a master of Imari porcelain. People come here from all over the world to admire his work. It's delicate work. The most important stage is the application of the Imari blue.
This is Imari blue. We apply the colour with a thick brush to get a smooth finish. The blue will get brighter. At the moment, it lacks contrast. But we will end up with a shade somewhere between indigo and a sort of cobalt blue. As for the drawing, I take inspiration from painters from the Edo period. I transpose their images onto this porcelain with this blue paint. When you start a new piece, you're impatient to get it fired so you can see the results. Every day is a challenge. That's what sustains my interest. I enjoy trying to excel and improve my technique. I'm constantly challenging myself.
It is in this kiln that the molded, painted clay becomes porcelain. It takes 20 hours at a temperature of over 1,320 degrees for the color to reveal its true magic.
Once it's been fired, this is what you get. A magnificent white porcelain with a blue pattern on it. They go together wonderfully. I'm proud of my work.
Imari porcelain is the most illustrious in Japan. It has helped establish the country's reputation on tables around the world. In Japan, blue comes in lots of different guises, indigo and cobalt, but also crystal clear waters.